Come back. We saw High School Musical 3 yesterday, and the wall is definitely in style. I was a 7-year-old, and when I went in there, I was a little scared. I was like, okay, I'll put up with it. And at the end, I was like, oh, it's so great. It was. But the wall is a big part of that movie.
Really? You want to see that song?
I know, that's what I think. Run back, run much of past, far from the world we have known. Maybe there, that rainbow light there will shower us in the glow. Channel to this wonderland, reaching for the stars, taking a chance that paradise is ours. Dreams I have seen leading to the sea, far from the world we have known. Thank you.